Okay guys, welcome to Chiang Mai. It is very busy. I came here to a market called Warorot Market, which is supposed to be just on the other side of this building. But this entire area is all market. It's everywhere. The river is just down here. You can get across the road. Everybody else is stopped. Everywhere you look all around here is stuff for sale. Food and lots of flowers, and I'm in the way, and that stinks like durian. There's a taxi. I'm gonna take a look around here, see what I can see. It's very busy, a lot of tourists here. And a lot of traffic. Oh, and one place back there on the way here, the traffic changed to the opposite side of the road. That was a little weird. All of a sudden you're driving on the wrong side of the road. Let's go see this guy. 4 strings, 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Let's make his day a little better, huh? Probably the biggest tip he's got in a really long time. You hear that? He stopped. He's taking the money out that I just gave him. He ain't taking any chances. I know it looked like rain. And it is raining. That sucks. Oh. It's like being in a rat's nest. But there's nothing here you can't buy. That's for sure. But I'm going that way. That's where the food's supposed to be. Let's see what we can see. Here we are in the belly of the beast. The few things that I know the price, what the price normally is, this place is expensive. Dried shrimp, dried squid, dried fish, all kinds of dried mushrooms and fruits, and vegetables. Look at all this stuff, huh? Sunflower seeds and nuts and I don't know. Hello. Lamyai. I have sugar? Okay. Let me try one. No sugar? No, no sugar. Very chewy. Like a raisin, but total different flavor. Thank you. Not my cup of tea. Beetle nut, but they're a different kind. All your secret concoctions are available here. Rain stopped. That's good. Traffic stopped. Wow. Just the road stopped and everybody got out. I'm not sure what's going on. Different Carry Express on a motorbike. That company is growing, man. I tell you what. I probably saw 100, at least 100 Carry Express pickup trucks on the drive from my house to Chiang Mai. They're everywhere. This is a shopper's paradise. But I'm like a fish out of water here. Not interested at all. Not a lot here that got my attention. I found some cool knives. Really, really cool knives, but I have enough cool knives already. Busy place. Gold stores. There's got to be 10 or 15 gold stores just here on this road. Look at the dog. Hello, papi. There's two right there. There's another one right there. And there's another one right there. There's one right there. I parked beside one. I believe I parked down here somewhere. I'm not 100% sure. Inside in a different area. As far as you can see down there. And I can see right through the 7-Eleven over there. Busy place. But there is some food here. Hello. This is an interesting experience if you've never had it. The unique smells in here. All different herbs and seasonings and spices. Cooked food. It's like a city in here. Look at all the people. Look at all the stuff. Amazing, eh? Look at the little dogs. Another back alley. More gold shops. Two more gold shops. Quite a place. All the way down through there to the other road. It's just packed with stuff. You name it, they got it. And some food. Small road. Very small road. Very small 7-Eleven. Got some cooked bananas and some sausage right there. Tons and tons of clothes. It's very busy. The river is right here. We'll take a quick look at the river. Want to see the river? That's how it got that color. They got a garden over there. See that? See the two dogs? They're growing food along there. Whoa, don't it stink here. Wow, that guy's not the first guy to pee here. And the other ones didn't pee in the water. Whew. Holy man, what is wrong with these people? Wow. First time ever seeing plums in Thailand. Ah, 7-Eleven in there. Busy place. That's a nice tuk-tuk there. See, everybody nice and friendly. It's the camera. It really is the camera. Alright guys, well that's it. This place is not for me. But if you like shiny things, or shopping, or have too much money, this might be the place for you. Lots of food, lots of dried fruits and nuts and stuff like that. Not a lot of cooked food, some. Tons of clothing, oh, tons and tons of clothing. You name it, it's in there. It goes for city blocks in every direction. It is huge. Got a cow. Very happy, see that? But this is not for me. I love markets, but they gotta be selling food. Don't do the shoes. Unless I need shoes. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you want to see more videos from Chiang Mai, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Never know where I'm going to end up next or who's going to be in the video.